Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a popular topic. Can chia seeds really help with weight loss? You might have heard about chia seeds being called a superfood, but let's break down what the science says and how these tiny seeds can fit into a healthy lifestyle. First things first. Chia seeds come from a plant called Salvia hispanica, which is related to the mint family. Over the years, people have been adding them to their diets, hoping they could support weight loss. The good news is that chia seeds are packed with fiber and protein, two things that can keep you full for longer. Just 1 ounce, or around 28 grams, gives you almost 10 grams of fiber and nearly 5 grams of protein. On top of that, it's only 138 calories. So, it's a great low-calorie snack that still fills you up. But does eating chia seeds automatically mean you'll lose weight? Well, that's where things get interesting. There have been some studies exploring this idea, but the results aren't 100% conclusive. For example, one study in 2014 looked at people eating chia flour daily for 12 weeks. Some participants saw more weight loss, especially those who were heavier at the start. But not everyone experienced big changes. Another study focused on people with type 2 diabetes who were following a calorie-controlled diet. One group added chia seeds to their meals, while the other didn't. After 6 months, the chia group lost more weight, shedding about 1.9 kilograms, or 4.19 pounds, on average. They also had a noticeable reduction in waist size, which shows that chia seeds might have some potential when paired with a healthy diet. However, it's important to note that these effects weren't huge, and they likely worked alongside other lifestyle changes. So, while chia seeds won't magically melt fat, they can definitely help you along the way. Since they're rich in fiber, they can slow down digestion, keeping you satisfied for longer and curbing those between-meal cravings. Also, replacing high-calorie snacks with chia seeds is a smart move. For example, you could sprinkle them into your morning smoothie or make a simple chia pudding for breakfast. If you like experimenting, try soaking chia seeds in water for 20 to 30 minutes. The seeds absorb water and form a gel-like texture. You can drink it plain or mix it with honey, lemon, or juice. It's a refreshing way to add chia to your diet without much effort. Besides weight loss, chia seeds come with other health benefits. They're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for heart health. They also contain minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, plus antioxidants that may reduce inflammation. Some people even report better digestion and more regular bowel movements, thanks to the fiber content. Before you dive all in, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. If you're taking blood thinners or have a bleeding disorder, talk to your doctor first. The omega-3s in chia can thin the blood, which can increase bleeding risk. Also, if you aren't used to eating high-fiber foods, introduce chia seeds gradually to avoid any digestive discomfort. To wrap things up, chia seeds won't do all the weight loss work for you, but they can definitely be a helpful addition to your diet. They're nutritious, low in calories, and can keep you feeling full, which makes it easier to stay on track with healthy eating. And with so many ways to enjoy them, it's easy to make chia seeds a part of your daily routine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and health insights. See you next time.